Donya, kablam! Donya nailing that three-pointer, mga ka-Asenso. Marcaban, fade away is good. And Donya, back-to-back three-pointer, mga ka-Asenso. Donya with the ball, pass to Diva. Diva attacking the basket. And a steal by Bolotolo. And Donya for three. No good. Steal by Diva. Bolotolo with the ball, pass to Donya, 4-3, kablam! Donya brothers are now on shooting spree, mga ka-Asenso. Early sa itong ball game, Duran drives and was blocked. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dumagok with 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining sa itong ball game. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samico. And a steal by Malales. Pass to Duran. Duran for three. In and out. Rebound by Donya. Pass to Donya. And stolen by Duran. Duran. Kick out to Marcaban. Marcaban for three. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Marcaban. And a jump ball. Duran with the ball. 2 seconds on the shot clock. And Malalis nails the three-pointer. And Caballero answers back, mga ka-Asenso, as he nails a three-pointer on top of the arc. And Malalis missed. Diva to Donya, to Caballero. Layup is in. And Marcaban blocked. Caballero to Bolotolo to Donya. Missed the three-pointer. And Marcaban, layup is good at may kasama pong foul.
Substitution. Number 4, Umada for number 16, Banales.
Marcaban missing that bonus throw. And there's a foul away from the ball.
Substitution.
Donya misses a three-pointer. And Ricky Donya answering for his brother. A three-pointer by Ricky Donya. Tormis to Komok. To Mandam. Kick out to Komok. For three. Missed. Offensive rebound by Komok. Double pump layup, no good. And Omandam gets the offensive rebound. To Tormis. Layup is in. Ricky Donya for three. No good. Offensive rebound by Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo, jumper. Missed. Bolotaulo gets the ball. Fade away. And Bajo with the easy basket. Komok driving. Layup miss, but there's a foul, mga kasenso.
Jersey number 20, first personal foul.
And Komok nails the second throw. And that was our first quarter, mga kasenso. At the score 14-23, 9-point lead by Barangay Liniensa.
This one is brought to you by Vice Mayor of Boy Balik Church Baptist.
And De La Cruz with a basket. And a three-pointer by Linienza. De La Cruz to Balat. To De Los Reyes. Balat missed the floater. And Tormis. Pass to Matildo. Matildo for three. No good. De Los Reyes and a turnover para sa Barangay Linienza. De Los Reyes jumper, no good. De La Cruz, and he was fouled.
Jersey number 22. First personal foul. First team foul.
And De La Cruz nails the first throw. And De La Cruz nails both free throws. Tormis driving, spin move, drop pass to Matildo. And Batulan with the follow-up. De Los Reyes with the ball. Pass to De La Cruz. Ball stolen by Tormis. Stolen back by De Los Reyes. To Odin. Odin with the basket. And a steal by Balat. Odin with the ball. And De La Cruz with the offensive rebound, missed the layup. Bola na kay Bao, pass to Sukabo. And Sukabo was fouled.
Jersey number 10. Substitution. Number 6. Luke Blackett for number 19.
And Matildo sinks that jumper.
Matildo.
Longaki to Odin. Odin driving. And there was a foul on the floor, mga ka-Asenso.
Jersey number 12. First personal foul.
And a turnover para sa Linienza, mga ka-Asenso. And a steal by Balat. Layup is good. Tormis driving. Runner, no good. And Longakit missed the easy layup. Now Baho with the ball. And another turnover para sa Dumago. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dumagok as we are approaching our 5-minute mark for second quarter. At to score 20-34, 14-point lead by Barangay Linienza. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger, ang Daddy Burger ng bayan. Yan. Dagan kayong salamat no kay Boss Richard Inzo ng Mr. Burger para sa lamig kayo Deluxe Burger. Ako ang snack karon. Dagan kayong salamat. Longakit, cross-court pass to Balat. Balat driving. And he was fouled.
Jersey number 13. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Now Longakit with the ball, driving, drop pass, De La Cruz picks up the ball, fade away, no good. Offensive rebound by Udin, and Udin was fouled.
Jersey number 16. Malalis, first personal foul.
Malalis with the foul, mga kasenso. And Udin missing the first throw.
Substitution.
And Oclaver will check in para sa Barangay Linienza. And a steal by Linienza. Longakit. And last touch Linienza. Ball possession will go to Dumagok. Duran. Pass to Malalis. To Baho. Baho for 3. No good. And the ball will go to Barangay Linienza. And now Resilia and Kasipong will check in para sa Linienza. And Sukabo with a transition offense, mga kasenso, para sa Dumagok. De Los Reyes. Pass to Claver, to Resilia. Ball stolen by Bao. To Malalis. And Malalis was fouled.
Jersey number 10.
And a timeout was called by Barangay Linienza with 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining sa doang second quarter. At to score 22-34, still a 14-point lead by Barangay Linienza. And this timeout is brought to us by CTG Construction. Malalis sinks the first throw. Malalis rocking some awesome shoes tonight, mga kasenso. Bagong bago. Yes, and Malalis nails both free throws. Bungabong. Pass deflected, last touch, Dumagok.
Traveling violation.
And a steal by Duran. Pass to Bajo. Bajo for the layup. Bungabong. And Claver with a basket underneath the rim. And a steal by Linenza. Malalis with the ball. Pass to Sukabo. Layup is good. Longakit with the ball. Longakit, drop pass to Kasipong. Shot block by Komok. 6 seconds to shoot. Bola sa Linenza, mga kasanso. Claver, runner, no good. Gets his own rebound. Ball stolen by Sukabo. And a turnover para sa Dumagok.
She has to play. No rocket.
And that was our first half, mga kasenso. At the score 30-38, 8-point lead by Barangay Linenza. And welcome mga kasenso sa itong third quarter for our last game for tonight's Urban Division Games between Barangay Dumagok and Barangay Liniensa.
Jersey number 22, Viva.
Siyempre, 8-point lead by Barangay Liniensa mga kasenso, and ball possession sa Dumagok. Baho with the ball. And Comok nails that layup. And Bao missing that layup. And there's a loose ball foul.
Jersey number 4. First personal foul.
Caballero, layup is good. And Marcaban block by Diva. And Bolotaulo for the easy layup. Omandam missed that layup mga kasenso, and last touch Liniensa. Comok missing that jumper. And ball possession mapupunta sa Liniensa mga kasenso.
Jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Substitution. Number 22, Matildo, or number 15, Marcaban.
Longakit driving. Kick out to Caballero. To Bolotaulo. Back to Caballero. Swing to Garces. Jumper's good. At may kasama pong foul mga kasenso.
Jersey number 10, first personal foul.
So instead of a bonus free throw, ball possession para sa Liniensa since it was a foul away from the ball. And so ball possession sa Liniensa mga kasenso. Caballero for 3. In and out. And offensive rebound by Longakit. Pass to Garces. Driving. Off the glass. No good. And a jump ball. So ball possession will go still to Liniensa mga kasenso, no? Bolotaulo. Jumper. No good. Offensive rebound by Diva. Pass to Longakit, and Longakit called with a traveling violation. Comok missed the layup. Longakit for 3. No good. Diva driving, drop pass to Bulataulo. Off the glass, missed. Bulataulo gets his own rebound. And he was fouled.
Jersey number 10. Substitution. Number 8, pick for number 6, Luke Duckett.
And a three-pointer by Tim was missed. Rebound by Matildo. Pass to Bajo. Bajo with the ball. Drop pass to Tormis. To Mandam, jumper, no good. Rebound by Diva. And a three-pointer by Tim. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dumagok with 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining sa tuwang third quarter.
This time is brought to you by City Councilor Jigel Ayusa.
And Omandam for three, no good. Rebound by Bulataulo. Donya for three, short. Rebound by Bajo. And Bajo was fouled.
Jersey number 70. Second personal foul. Substitution. Number 20, Udin.
And Odin will check back in para sa Barangay Liniensa. And Bajo nails the first throw. Bajo nails both free throws. Ricky Donya missing another three-pointer. Now Duran with the ball. Pass to Marcaban. Reverse layup, no good. Offensive rebound by Duran. Pass to Bajo. Jumper. Basket is in. Caballero to Bulataulo. To Donya. To Tim. 4-3. Missed. Offensive rebound by Bulataulo. Fade away. Kablam! Bulataulo nailing that jumper. Tim. Ball deflected. Last touch, Dumagok.
Number 13 for number 15. Number 19 for number 5. personal foul.
And Odin was fouled and he will go to the free throw line, mga ka-Asenso. And Odin missed the first throw. Odin sinks the second throw. Baho, Tumalalis.
Carrying the ball. Substitution. Number 10, De Los Reyes.
And now De Los Reyes will check back in para sa Barangay Liniensa, mga ka-Asenso. And Tim, another three-pointer missed. Offensive rebound by De Los Reyes. Back to Tim. And bola na kay Baho to Duran. Duran for three. No good. And bola sa Liniensa. Tim at the corner. Kablam! Tim with a second three-pointer of the evening. And a steal by Doña. De Los Reyes with an easy layup. Malalis for three. And Malalis nails that three-pointer by the end of the quarter. And that was our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Ato score 41-54. 13-point lead by Barangay Liniensa. And welcome mga ka-Asenso sa itong fourth quarter between Barangay Liniensa and Barangay Dumagok. As Cruz misses that three-pointer para sa Dumagok. De Los Reyes to Kasipong missed the layup. Duran to Baho, ball stolen. Bola na kay Kasipong. Stolen back by Cruz. Pass to Baho for the layup. And De La Cruz with the layup. And Baho answering back. De La Cruz. And De La Cruz called for traveling violation, mga ka-Asenso. And a steal by De La Cruz. De Los Reyes with the ball. Pass. And Bao nails the jumper. De Los Reyes to De La Cruz, and another turnover para sa Liniensa. And a timeout was called by Barangay Liniensa with 2 minutes passed through our fourth quarter, and our score is 47-56, mga ka-Asenso, no? 9-point lead by Barangay Liniensa. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger, ang Daddy Burger ng bayan. Na back to our ball game. Duran with the ball, pass to Cruz para sa Dumagok. Malalis driving, floater, and he was fouled. And Malalis nails the first throw.
Substitution.
De Los Reyes to Doña for 3. Short. Rebound by Malalis. Pass to Bajo. Bajo for 3. Air ball. De La Cruz. Ball stolen by Comok. And the long pass to Bao for the layup. And a steal by Cruz. Cruz missed the layup. Doña to Diva. And Diva was down on the floor. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dumagok. With 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa itong ball game. Ato score 51-56. 5-point lead by Barangay Liniensa. And Diva still down on the floor. As what I've seen, natapilok ang kanyang left foot. left ankle mga kasenso. And let's just hope he's fine.
Jalan baik. Hah?
And Sir Boltaulo will replace Diva for the shooter. And Boltaulo nails the first throw. And Bolotalo missing the second. 6-point lead by Linienza. Comok underneath the rim. Reverse layup, no good. And a foul called against Malalis, guarding Caballero.
Number 16, Malalis. Jersey number 16, Malalis. Third personal foul.
And a timeout called by Dumagok. With 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa tong ball game. And this timeout is brought to us by LGL Construction. Caballero to Doña, to Bolotaulo, to Caballero, drop pass to Odin for the basket. And a turnover para sa Dumagok. Doña, pull-up jumper, in and out. And there's a loose ball foul called against Cruz.
Double foul. Jersey number 5, Dumagok. And jersey number 20, Linienza. Shot 7.
And Caballero with a jumper. Sugabo with the ball. Attacking the rim. Pass to Cruz. Layup is good. Donya to Caballero. To Bolotaulo. To Donya. Back to Bolotaulo. Off the glass. And Sugabo driving, and he was blocked by Udin. Bao, pull-up jumper, no good. And Donya nails the easy layup. Malalis for 3. Missed. Cruz with the offensive rebound. Missed the putback. Caballero with the ball. As we enter our final 2 minutes of our ball game. And Bao missed the three-pointer. Donya missing. Sugabo for 3. No good. And Caballero and Barangay Linienza will try to use some clock. And Cruz nails the three-pointer. Malalis nails the three-pointer. And that was our ball game. Our winner, Barangay Linienza.
Mic test. Masan sa gabi pagkadianan and yes, we are done strong last game karong gabi unang nagidula sa Barangay Linienza versus Barangay Dumago. And of course, mga kasan sa umidaw karong gabi una ang Barangay Linienza and kauban na karon ang usa ka player nila si Sir Team Sir. Maayong gabi.
Mayong gabi sa nimo ma'am ug mayong gabi sa tanan.
Sir, kamusta man imo ang dula sa first ever Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup?
First of all, I would like to acknowledge Mayor Samico sa paghitabuan ng dula sa first Mayor Ascenso Indoor Barangay Basketball Cup o gilabi na sa ako ang pag-acknowledge sa ako ang hayaan na si ang punong barangay sa amuang sa Barangay Linienza Honorable Nancy Team. Ang akong maistorya sa first sa paghitabo ni Mayor sa Ascenso first Barangay Cup is maayo kini siya so far is, sa hilabi na sa mga katawan sa takbayan sa Pagadian, maayo ini pangitabuha sa paghitabo niya sa basketball aside sa malingaw ning dula at least maka-compete pod sa kasatag sa nga barangay sa sports labi na sa basketball. And sa kini is mapalaganap na to ang pagkahiusa sa dakbayan sa Pagadian o gilabi na sa friendship nga pangitabo sa kanayong dula.
Thank you so much, Sir Team. And of course, please shout out sa mga friends, families, and mga supporters pa sa Barangay Linienza.
Shout out dahil tanan sa ako ang mga friends diya sa Barangay Linienza o gilabi na sa ako ang pamilya sa mga Team family, Sumagpo family o sa ako ang partner nga si Joanna, bagay po sa akong anak nga si Kasini Blair, bagay po si Lincoln Kian. Shout out kanyo. I love you guys.
Thank you so much. Wala na kay i-shout out, Sir Team. Alright. Thank you so much, Sir Team. And of course, congratulations sa imo sa tibuok Barangay Linienza. And hello, shout out sa taga Barangay Linienza ang gipanguluhan ni Kapitan Team. Congratulations og maayong gabi. Yes. So mga kasanso, we are done sa tuang dula karong adlaw. And of course, fasten your seatbelt para sa dula gihapon og mga adlaw dinhi ra gyapon sa Ascenso Covered Court Plaza Luz, Pagadian City. Alauna magsugod hangtod sa alas 10 sa gabi. Mga sato, thank you so much sa ito pinalagang Mayor sa Dakbayan sa Pagadian City, Mayor Samico, Vice Mayor Boy Baliling Fernandez, First Lady Madam Ilang Koto, our City Councilor Honorable Sam Tyraco, Honorable Marjorie de Velocero, Honorable Jun Bahamonde, Honorable Dr. Dicky Fernandez, Honorable Jagger Ariosa, and of course, Honorable Dudong Duterte, ug sa tuwang League Convener and Barangay Kagawad, Honorable Lance Samuelco, sa tuwang Tournament Commissioner Coach Chao Vega, sa tuwang Ascenso Production Team, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. To my family, Gabrines family, Mera Flores family, Kasipong family, to Direct Banjo, sa kumang friends nga taga Pagadian City, and of course, taga Dumingag City, maayong gabi kay inyong tanan. And yes, no, kauban po na ako karon ang atong commentator kagayna sa dula, si George Amis, ang pusa sa itong mga volunteers sa PCIC students. So, thank you so much, George. And of course, thank you so much sa itong mga PCIC students. Sa tanang head sa city, maayong gabi. O shout out po ta sa tuang mga city accountant, city Office of Accountancy sa City? Yes. So mga kasan, so balik ta og mga lawan this is Ruby Capinas, padayon pag-asenso.
Pagadian.
Pagadian.